my channel, you guys. This video is sponsored today by myshinywigs. Now they did send me a 5x6 glueless 20-inch water wave unit. And when I say 5x6, I know a lot of people are probably like, what is a 5x6? A 5x6 is basically just a little more room than a 4x4. It's still a middle part. You could probably do an updo look with this because it's a little more wider than a 4x4. A 4x4 is like maybe here, and a 5x6 is just a little bit more room. So you could probably most likely do this as an updo look if you wanted to, just because of the space. And look at this, you guys. Do you detect any lace? Where's the lace? Like, come on. Like, this bomb, okay? Well, I did go ahead and bleach the knots. As you guys can probably tell, I'm not sure if you can tell, but I did bleach the knots on this unit and then laid some baby hairs down. The first thing we're most definitely, of course, going to talk about, can't leave out, is the lace. Now, it does say that this is a glueless type of unit. Now, I think they say it's glueless just of the simple fact that this unit has an adjustable strap on there. So it has the adjustable straps that's already, you know, customized into the wig, and then it also has an adjustable strap on there, and then the unit is very, very secure. And I do notice that the lace is clear, but it's not hard to blend it, and I think it's really not hard to blend it as well because I bleached the knots. So I don't know if I would say glueless. I think it made it more glueless for me when I bleached the knots, and then I started blending and, you know, did my ball cap method with the wig. So I will say the lace, it does blend really, really good, especially for it to be a clear lace. But as far as glueless, I think what made it glueless was me bleaching the knots and then, you know, plucking, make sure I do my job, and then it definitely looks that way. But I don't think it came that way, but either way, this wig came out on point. As far as plucking, you guys, like I stated before, it's always based off of the unit. So it was very easy for me to prep this unit, go ahead and make sure I pluck it to my liking, and then leave out some baby hairs. Now sometimes, you guys, you're gonna notice, like, sometimes I do thick baby hairs, sometimes I do thin baby hairs. I think I can be just a little better when it comes to, you know, doing my baby hairs, but I think I'm definitely getting better, and these are definitely on point. I just got to remember when I pluck and I do pull some baby hairs out, just try to, you know, get some thin hairs out of the hair. It doesn't always have to be, you know, thick baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? As far as the parting space, I do love it. I think it actually goes, this one goes to about 5 to 6 inches. Definitely looks natural. I am wearing a, I would say more of a light wig cap. It's not too light because I've had lighter wig caps, but you'll definitely be able to see, you can see some of the wig cap in it. I should have blended it more with my powder right here, but as you guys can see, I did blend it here. So it's very, very important that you either put foundation on the cap before you put it on. I didn't fully coat my cap with a whole bunch of foundation like I normally do, so that's probably why. But yeah, just make sure you go ahead and blend it with some powder or some foundation, you know, just so everything just blends and goes together. Now, as far as baby hairs, you guys can see it looks so good. Looks like it's coming straight out of the scalp. It was very easy to pull out these baby hairs. This hair was so soft, and it was easy for me to just, you know, pluck and then pull those baby hairs out. Very easy. This is one of those, definitely one of those get up and go wigs. You don't have to do much. You can either keep it at its puffy state, which I was thinking, I'm like, should I keep it like in its natural state, because it looked so good in it. And you know, my face is fuller, like I always say, you guys, my face is much fuller. So the products I put in my hair, you guys, is the water and the eco styling gel. Now I am forgetting to put some certain products in my description box sometimes, you guys. I'm sorry, sometimes I just be quick and just ready to get to the next thing when it comes to like editing and getting it onto my computer. So I'll definitely make sure I put the eco styling gel as well in the description box, so you guys can put this in your hair. I swear it makes a big difference what you put in your hair to get the curls to come out. They're not curls, but they're waves, but you guys know what I mean. Like, it definitely makes a big difference. As far as plucking, I don't think it was pre-plucked, but I also thought it was very, very easy for me to find parting. So I feel like it was already kind of a middle part when I received it. So all I did was I made it just a more precise middle part, and then I started plucking, you know, just to make it look more natural for me. Any tangling or any shedding, I got none Zero, none. This hair is beautiful. Even when I was putting the Eco Styling Gel and the water in it at the same time, no hair came out, you guys. Like normally when I do that, sometimes it comes out on the ends, you know what I'm saying? But this had no issues, and I'm liking this all to the front. Some units, like, sometimes I'm like, I need to wear some of this hair to the back. This is just, it's not a look, but this is definitely a look that you wear all to the front. Okay, now this hair, okay, so this is why it's very important for me to tell you guys like how the hair feels when you do put product in it and when you don't put product in it. So when you put product in this hair, it's definitely giving a yucky silky texture feel, and I think the Eco Styling Gel is giving it that silky texture feel type of look. As far as if you just put water in it, it's gonna give you more of a yucky texture. So if you keep it at its puffy state and you really don't put anything in it, it's definitely gonna give you more of a yucky texture. But if you put that Eco Styling Gel in there and then that water, it's definitely gonna give you a little bit of both. And I love a touch of both silky and also yucky. It really looks so beautiful, and I'm just really happy how full this hair is as well. I think this may be about 150 to 180% density. Definitely full, and this is not to the point where I feel like it's much fuller when it's at its puffy state without product than if you put the Eco Styling Gel and the water in it. I think this unit is very versatile. Like I said, you guys, it is a 5x6, but you can also do an updo look, because this one compared to a 4x4, it has more space. And then look how natural this hairline looks. It looks so natural. I'm telling you, it looks like it's coming right out of the scalp. As far as the security of the wig, as I stated before, you guys, this has an adjustable strap on there. So you have that, which is the band that they connect to the wig, and then you also have the adjustable straps that's already customized inside the wig. So you have that double security. So whether you're a bigger head girl, smaller head girl, you know, you don't have anything to worry about. People always worry about how the wig is going to fit. This one you can choose actually on the website whether you want a small cap, medium cap, so that's also good too. So you can get this unit from myshinywigs.com, and you can definitely pick out the length you want, and then also pick out the size cap you want. This unit starts from a 12-inch to a 26-inch. So I think a 26-inch for me, a 26-inch is pretty long on me. This one, for this to even be a 20-inch, it's definitely pretty long. It goes to, I would say, just a little bit almost below my boobs. So for me, I think this is pretty actually decent, and it's also very full. So I actually used my Got To Be glue this time to get the hair to lay down, and it laid down really fast. Use my hot comb, so you really don't have to do much on this unit either. I love when a unit just cooperates, when the hair is just so soft, and if it is a little bulky, as soon as you use the hot comb or some Got To Be glue, you know what I'm saying, you brush it down. And even sometimes if you brush it down and just use the Got To Be glue and not have to use the hot comb, because sometimes I don't have to use the hot comb. In this instance I did, but if I didn't want to, I really didn't have to, because I just sprayed the Got To Be glue and then also did the Eco Styling Gel. It just, oh my god, it's laid, like laid. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this unit. I definitely think it would look even better in a 26-inch, the longest length. Like, this is definitely a look. But even with this is definitely a look. Like, this has so much volume, so much bounce, the waves are defined. Like, this unit is perfect. So this will end the video here, you guys. Again, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. Make sure you comment below what you guys think about this unit. I really love this unit. Make sure you share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.